occiput we're going to adjust here. You're going to breathe in and out. Excellent, sir. That is the base of your skull. And now the lower cervical, upper thoracic spine there.